Sorry, I didn't see you there. Hi, everybody. Just kidding. Let's get serious. I'm here today to tell you about the most important appliance known to man. That's right, you heard me. The most important appliance. By definition, an appliance means a device or piece of equipment designed to perform a specific task, typically a domestic one. So, what is this task? You might ask yourself. What is it? What's the appliance? I'm so curious. Please tell me. I'm going crazy. I need to know. I'm here to tell you. A wine bottle opener. Let me walk you through the numerous ways to use the wine bottle opener. The obvious usage. I mean, come on. Here we are. Right. Self-explanatory. You can also get the dirt out of your fingernails. Gross. And if you had more than just yourself at your house, you could put on a puppet show. Whoa! You could also open up a pistachio. Perfect. I know what you're thinking. Liz, could there possibly be more? I don't know. You tell me, right? Please don't really do that. But you could use it as a pirate hook. Arrgh. You could also scrape your initials in wood. I would go outside, but it's raining. Nah, I'm just kidding, Mom. I would never do that to you, girl. But lastly, not leastly, is leastly a word? Becca? You can pretend it's your boyfriend and you can dance around the kitchen with it.